Why homeowners are thankful that they own. So countless people have set out on the exciting journey of homeownership. Ask around and you're going to find that the vast majority are thankful that they took that leap and bought a home. But why? It's because the many emotional and lifestyle benefits that come with being a homeowner. So if you're trying to decide if you want to rent or buy, here are just a few of the many benefits you could look forward to if you buy. It's a safe haven. Owning a home goes beyond just having a roof over your head. It provides a sense of security and safety. In fact, in a survey from Fannie Mae, respondents say having a sense of privacy and security is one of the top reasons homeownership is preferred to renting. And in a different Fannie Mae survey, living in a place where you and your family feel safe is another one of those top benefits of homeownership. Your home is a place where you can truly relax and unwind. Knowing that you have a sanctuary to return to at the end of the day is a great source of comfort. It's a canvas for self-expression for many homeowners. Their home is a reflection of who they are. The National Association of Realtors, or the NAR, the home is yours. You can decorate it any way you want and choose the types of upgrades and new amenities that appeal to your lifestyle. From the color of the front door to the art hanging on the walls, every detail contributes to a unique expression of a personal style. Put simply, owning a home gives you the freedom to make changes and improvements that resonate with your personality. It helps you feel more connected to the community. Stability is another cornerstone of home ownership. The longer you stay put, the more emotionally connected you are to the community. So, for example, if your neighborhood does cookouts or block parties or other events, you're going to feel more engaged and probably build meaningful relationships with those around you. And as the NAR states, remaining in one neighborhood for several years allows you and your family time to build long-lasting relationships within the community. The sense of community where you can make lifelong friends helps give you more stability and predictability than you'd have if you moved each time a new rental lease renewed. It's where lifelong memories are made. Not to mention your home is where you're going to make many memories. It's a backdrop for the stories of your life. Celebrating milestones, hosting gatherings, and building a treasure trove of special moments within the walls of your home is a heartwarming experience to be so thankful for. The bottom line is, as you start thinking about buying a home, remember why so many people are glad that they did. Home ownership isn't just a financial decision. It's about having a stable place where you can make lasting memories. If you're thinking of buying a home and would like a little more advice, let's talk.